Celestial communication, calling in the angels. Hello. This is a really beautiful practice that is very fun to do. It's very soothing to the nervous system. It's very uplifting for your heart and your spirit. And it's wonderful to practice with your children. If you have little ones at home, you can do these practices. And the really, really cool part about it is that you can make it up. You can literally hear the mantra and then develop your own choreography to the mantra, whatever is calling you. And this is where it gets really fun, particularly when you have littles or younger people in your family that you're wanting to have creative time together. It's just fantastic. But it is connecting you to the celestial realms. And the celestial realms, the way that we view them in our Kundalini technology, are the angelic realms. So being able to connect fully in expression, in movement, in sound, because we're going to be chanting a mantra as we're doing this, and we're creating this movement that brightens our auric field. It definitely brightens our radiance. And in this particular one, we're going to be using the mantra Haray, Haree, Wahe Guru. Haray, Haree, Wahe Guru. So the Hud sound is the creative force sound of the green energy, the prosperous energy, the prosperity energy of the God. And the Haray, Haree are different aspects of that frequency. Haray, Haree. You'll notice that as I'm saying this sound, it sounds like I'm saying a hard D, duh, Hud, Haray, Haree. When the reality is that this, in this language of Gurmukhi, it's an H-A-R, H-A-R-A-Y, H-A-R-E-E. So we create these sounds with the tongue flicking very powerfully on the roof of the mouth, which so beautifully stimulates your pituitary, your third eye, and your pineal glands, which are very powerful glands that really models command center post, rather, for the entire glandular system. And the glands are the guardians of your health. Anytime that we're moving the arms too, in the fashion that we'll be moving them, is also connecting to the heart. And we're also expanding our auric field and radiant bodies, as I mentioned earlier. So this celestial communication is a really fun one that I love doing, and I like to do it to a recording by one of my favorite music artists known as Akyanna, A-Y-K-A-N-N-A. And this is from their album, I think it's called Mother. Yes, it's called Mother. It's quite lovely. It's an older recording, but you can definitely find it quite easily on Spotify, on Apple Music, and of course on iTunes, and I believe it's on Bandcamp as well. It's pretty prevalent on YouTube. It's available on all the streaming channels. So it's from the album Mother, Akyanna, and it's the mantra Haray, Haree. Now, Wahe Guru. Wahe Guru is especially powerful with this Haray, Haree because every Wahe Guru is going to amplify 1,000 times these creative aspects of the God frequency sound that we're creating. So it's just going to continue to amplify, amplify, expand, expand, strengthen, fortify. So this is how the movement looks. We're going to tune in and then we're going to do this movement. But let me just demo it for you first. Hud, slapping the ground. Haray, clap the hands in front of the face. Haree, overhead. Now spin the hands in front of the heart. Wahe Guru. All right, Jupiter fingers extend on either side of you. That's round one. Round two is a little different. Hud, Haray, Haree, Wahe. Open the hands. Open the hands. Be receptive. And then we do it again. Hud, Haray, Haree, Wahe Guru, working with the Jupiter wisdom, the Guru energy. And then on this fourth round, we're going to do something completely different. Wahe Guru. Here we go. We're tick-tocking. Left hand is spread, fingers wide, elbow close to the side, and we're tick-tocking with the Jupiter finger with the right hand. And then we go back into the sequence again. Hud, Haray, Haree, Wahe Guru. Hud, Haray, Haree, Wahe Guru. Hud, Haray, Haree, Wahe Guru. Haree, Haree. Wahe Guru. Okay, you got it? So we're going to have fun with this. This is a really lively, it's very uplifting. I always get a big smile on my face whenever I do this celestial communication. I use it for when I'm feeling a little bit down or when I just need to have a way to really express my feeling of joy and love and yeah, all of that fun stuff. It's great if you're feeling sick too. It really strengthens your immune system. And if you're needing to balance your nervous system and regulate your nervous system, this does the trick. So you can go with your celestial communication as long as you like. We're going to do 3 minutes today with the music. So let's tune in first. Good. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adhikade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satgade Name, Siddhigurudev Name. Adhikade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satgade Name, Siddhigurudev Name. Adhikade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satgade Name, Siddhigurudev Name. Inhale, holding the breath, squeeze the body, expand your light, and exhale. Beautiful. Satnam. Okay, let's start, shall we? All right, I'm going to turn up the mantra and we'll begin. Had Hare Hare, Wahe Guru. 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 Keep tick-tocking. Had Hare Hare, Wahe Guru. Woo! Had Hare Hare, Wahe Guru. 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 Oh, Had Hare Hare, Wahe Guru. 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 It works on your brain really great. Had Hare Hare, Wahe Guru. 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 Good. Keep tick-tocking and inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Hands together. One long Sat and a short Nam. Sat Nam. I highly recommend that you have your journal nearby after you do this particular practice, because it's a very, very creative practice. And it will stir up a lot of creativity in the sense of inspiration, insight, wisdom. Like, wow, I never thought about it that way before, type of a thing. Maybe you just want to free write and see what comes in. So enjoy this celestial communication, and I would love to hear how your experience was and is with this amazing process and practice to call in the angels. Sat Nam.